So hello guys, welcome back to the Legit Trades, and as usual we're gonna trade um, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and it's gonna be the New York session. So first of all, let's identify what market is doing and where we are heading towards. So on one day, as we analyzed before, we are bearish, and yep, market is showing us strong momentum towards the downside, and on 4 hour and one day also. In 1 week we just retraced this thing, and let me show you properly. On 1 week we just retraced this thing properly, and we are heading towards the bearish move, and we are targeting these liquidities, and we are just looking forward to tap on these zones. Also on one day we are bearish, and kind of we are consolidating, but still we are overall bearish. On 1 hour we are also bearish as a structure basis. We just grabbed the liquidity, tapped on this POI, and then we are heading towards the downside. On 15 minute there were some zones which I was aiming for price to just take and then tap on some kind of POIs, and then we could have taken the sells, but still so market is showing us bearishness. And let's just start with the marking the structure on 3 minute, so it will give us a proper direction towards the market, so what market is going on and how it's doing. So how we mark the structure, we just mark the liquidity area zones, and then we mark the POI areas, which is on this side, which we have after the this one. This is the POI area. So market basically didn't tap on this one, and it just gave us a break of a structure on the 3 minute. And then again what market did, market grabbed the liquidity, something kind of this one, and then after grabbing the liquidity, so there is a liquidity, so market grabbed this liquidity, tapped on the zone, and then went towards the downside, but still it's not a proper retracement and not a proper move to be considered as. So what market did, market acted took this high and grabbed this all the liquidity over there and just tapped on this one, this POI. So as you can see, market came towards the downside with this POI, and again gave us a break of structure. Let me mark it. So this is what market is doing right now, and what we are aiming for. Let's see on the 4 hour what market is doing, and let's focus on this current candlestick patterns. So tomorrow market created a big huge candle, and then created some small candles for the bearish side. And what did market did today is market basically went upside, grabbed the liquidity above there, and then showing us a bearishness. So what we are looking for is to price to come on some areas there. That's the London sessions candle, and just give a retracement, and then we can look for the bearish moves. This is exactly what we are looking forward to. We are completely bearish. So structure is showing us bearishness. So that's the liquidity zone which market grabbed, and I think it may act as like this one for this sell, or maybe this one. I don't see any kind of better POIs. That's the best one, but still I don't think market will gonna go there. It would be better if market take these areas and then go on this zone. That's a 5-minute POI. Yep. So this is exactly what we are looking forward to. We are bearish completely. And let me see the sessions, what sessions actually did. It was consolidating. So as you can see, consolidation, manipulation, and we will gonna see the expansion move, a big one. So this is what we are looking for. We will gonna trade bearish move, and exactly looking forward to take these lows. Let's see market क्या करता है. Let's wait for a better trade opportunity for now. That's the power of 3 module: consolidation, manipulation, and then expansion. Let's see how it goes. For now, we should wait for market to create better opportunity to take trades. So what we are doing right now is we are waiting for market to create some confirmations and some better zone areas for us to take a bearish trade. And I think the next candle will gonna give us a better trade opportunity. That's interesting. Market is shooting this low as a liquidity. You know, there is an interesting thing that I just saw. That's the SMT divergence market has just created. And after that SMT divergence, market is trying to break this IFVC, which was first just respected and now it's breaking. And that is showing me the positive results for market to go upside. Let's wait for some time. So if when everything will be clear, we will gonna take the trade, because the market just took the sell side liquidity there. Yep. Overall we are bearish, but market is showing us positive scenarios of bullishness. Yeah, that's the interesting rejection just came. Okay, okay. So we are bullish because there is so much liquidity over there market has to take, and we are targeting those liquidities. So I'm looking forward to take a bullish trade. Yep. So we are buying, and we are buying with okay, so there is something I just missed out. Hmm. So I'm closing this trade. There is a reason behind it. Close position, and we are taking bearish trade for now because it's going over us more confluences. Yep. So I am taking bearish trade. So just sold it here. If we close heavily on this trade, so we will gonna increase the lot size and we'll take more sell positions. I'm just coming back. Wait for a second. Yep, if we just close below this one, and then I'm gonna add more positions to this trade. These ones are our targets. It will be the first target, this one, second target, and the last one will be this one. Let's extend trading, extend prices lines. Yeah, so now confirm it. Yeah, so there was a asymptotic divergence. We were bearish from the start. Market gave was a asymptotic divergence. That was a fake buying opportunity just market created, and we were just oh shit. That's a great move. All we can do is just wait for price to do its work. So that's the great move we are getting. If we close bearish, so I'm gonna take one more trade and one more position to add up. Yeah, so that's a great volume. Yep, 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 yeah. I think I'm gonna let this trade run, not gonna add more positions to it. According to my risk management, it's the best trade that I can take for today. So this is the basically the trade of the day, and we are planning, and let's see how it goes. Hmm. So that's the nice rejection we are getting. I can add one more position and it will be the sweet spot for me to take this one. So I'll be back in just some minutes. So we are back, and there is something I want to say, that this is the trade for me. If it goes up, then it goes up, and it goes down, then it's go down. If it hits my TP, it hits my SL. It's just what I did. This is the last. This is the last and final trade we are taking for the day. I haven't taken any kind of trade, but still, I'm. This is the last trade I'm taking. So I'm cutting off the audio and just putting everything to just let you see that this is the trade I'm taking. If you get any kind of noise, so I'm just cautious about that thing. There is a mistake which I made before, which was I just took the long position over there, and I just got instantly realized that my bias was bearish from the start, but still I did take this trade, and that was the wrong thing. And I'm gonna journal it, and I'm not gonna repeat that thing again. This is my bias trade. This is the trade which I was planning to, and with I took this trade. So this is what my work was, and I got some confirmations that it created asymptotic divergence. Here, as you can see, it created asymptotic divergence with S&P 500, and it's going for the downside as 15-minute, also looking for the downside, and it's below this EMA. So it's the trade for it's the trade basically my type. It's the trade of my plan. It's the trade of my rules. So if I lose in this trade, I'll have no regrets. And if I just have taken this trade and lost it, so it have made a huge impact on me, because I went against my rules. I went against my trading plan. That's the thing which I was trying to say you, that never break your rules. Your rules must be that discipline in trading is mostly defined by how strictly you utilize your rules. I'm not that much good with English, but still I'm trying to get better with it. And as a YouTube, I'm trying it for the first time and never did any kind of thing in public and all. So I'm slightly nervous, but I will get better with it. And I promise you that you will gonna get the best content out there from me. I will learn new things. I will uh, get better at them, and I will fail in front of you. I will pass in front of you. I will make mistakes in front of you. I will correct them in front of you. So this is basically the channel I have created just to show you that uh, other YouTubers are showing so much thing, their strategy, they are good. I'm not saying that they are bad or anything. They are good. They have solid strategies. They have solid mindset. They have everything that they are teaching out there. But what I'm gonna teach with this channel is to show you that how it basically works for the first time, and then I will show you what kind of psychology, mindset and discipline it takes to get it there. I'm not profitable. I'm trying this thing for past more than 3 years, and I blowed more than 6 accounts. I just used to trade forex, and now I just went inside the indexes, and it's my first account, and it's the I do have some strategies which I'm trading on the basis of them. So I want to just say that just believe in me, and I make sure that I'm will gonna be the become the best trader in the world, and I don't have doubts in myself. I'm aiming for that thing, and I know it will take so much discipline, so much consistency from me towards my mindset, towards my discipline, towards my daily routine, and I'm ready to fix them all. I'm ready to handle any pressure. I'm ready to handle any pain and discipline. So this is what I'm wanna say. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I will show up every day. I will do things in front of you. So that's all which I wanted to say you all. So for now, I'm leaving this trade to you all as just a thing that I won't gonna change anything. I won't gonna cut anything. I just decided I'm gonna cut this position at there, this position at there, and gonna take partials like this one and this one. So I'll stick to that. And right now, I'm closing my audio, and thank you for watching.